Hey everyone, one of the first things I do whenever I get a new phone is if I know that I'm already going to get the phone, even before I buy the phone or while it's, being shipped out, I always order number one, a case to protect the phone, and number two is screen protectors to protect the screen of the phone. So normally I would go on Amazon and look for what I think is a good screen protector for one value, and then number two for for value and protection. And I normally don't buy from like the carriers their screen protectors, but when I was at T-Mo, one of the guys that sold me the S21 Ultra sold me onto this invisible shield Glassfusion vision with Visionguard or Visionguard. So guys can see that, pause that, and read it for yourself. It's I'm not sure if it's a tempered glass screen or not, but T-Mobile, the guy at T-Mobile said that they would should anything happen or if I have any issues, I have free lifetime warranty with this, and they'll also replace it if it breaks, and they can also install it for me. So I do plan on having them install this case for me. But what we're going to do today is just look at the what's included in this box or this package. If I go to T-Mobile and they won't let me film them installing it, then we'll just do it here on camera. Although I don't like doing installations on camera, especially for the screen because it's hard to do. I don't have the proper equipment to set up my camera for where I could like just do the install without looking through the camera lens. So if you open this up, you can see there's more features. So there's all your features right there. Trusted to protect sports, industrial, military, electronics. And you can read about the D3O impact protection right there. Right here it says Glassfusion with D3O, 20% stronger. And here it says block harmful blue light. And then what is blue light? Visionguard with iSafe. Did I show you guys the front already? If I haven't, there you go. Pause that and read it for yourself. Right here on the bottom corner, near the bottom corner, it says number one trusted. On this side, nothing. This side, nothing. Bottom, top, nothing. On the back, more features and why it's the number one. Okay, so as you guys can see right there, number one industry standard with over 215 million screen protectors sold worldwide. Protect your phone and yourself better. Reinforced with D3O, so you can pause all of that features and read them for yourself. And then right here it says it contains microbial treatment, so you can pause that, read it for yourself. Down here it says genuine D3O product, and see right here lifetime warranty, so you can pause that and read it for yourself. I already cut the tape, so let's open it up. Right here on the inner box it says protect your phone better. And then here in the back, it also says protect your phone better, invisible shield. You open it up kind of like an envelope. And there you go. That's nice. You get this guard. This is a guard, right? For lining up your... I wonder if they have installation videos online. So right here on the back, it says limited lifetime warranty, register now. So you can... pause that and read it for yourself. Right here it says it's an application guide and what you get. And then inside here, this is the screen protector right there. Inside here, you get a microfiber cloth, a squeegee, and a dust removal sticker. So there you go. Anything else? Oh, we already checked that. That's the screen. So that is that. So here's what you get in the box. You get the guide. You get the screen protector. You get a dust removal sticker, the squeegee, microfiber cloth, and your cleaning wipe. And you also get the instructions right here. There might be a video online, so I'm going to go check that real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did check and they do have one online. I typed Invisible Shield Glassfusion S21 Ultra. That's the first thing that popped up, although it looked like it was another Galaxy phone, not the S21 Ultra, but the installation is pretty much similar. So, and it's a really good video that explains it, and it records and explains it way much better than how I could probably do it. So I encourage you guys, if you're interested in getting this screen protector, to go watch the video first before you install it onto your phone, or even probably if you're interested in it and before you even buy it. So I will put the link of this video in the description for you guys. So I'm just gonna try to install it myself off camera, so then I can tell you guys how easy it is for me as far as the installation, and show you guys the final product or the finished product. So I will be back in a little bit, and we'll see you soon for the finished product. Okay, so I decided to show you guys my installation. So obviously the first thing you want to do is place the phone inside the guide tray. And then what I do is wipe it down with the microfiber cloth first before the alcohol wipes, just to get rid of dust or fingerprints before I even use the alcohol wipes. I don't know why I do it. You don't necessarily have to. Then I check the phone for any lint. Now you want to use the alcohol wipe to actually get rid of oils or smudges off of the screen. And then you could tell that alcohol has residue and it's kind of wet, so you want to wipe it down again with the microfiber cloth. Make sure it's dry, and then you're going to use the dust removal stickers all around the screen to make sure you get rid of any lint or dust. And now you're ready to install the screen protector. So you want to peel the side where it tells you to peel it off at the number 1 side, and make sure you do not touch the actual screen protector itself, the sticky part. And it's real easy to install it and put it onto your phone. You could look at where that notch is for the front camera, and then you want to line it up with the front camera on your smartphone. And on the guide tray it even says like top and bottom. So you're going to place it on, and the screen protector gets held by those notches in the tray. The first thing you want to do, they say, is to like put pressure in the middle. Probably I should have done it with the squeegee. And then you just want to swipe once up on the top part of the screen, and then swipe once on the bottom. And this is where I messed up. I did it more than once, way many more times than what I was supposed to. And I'm going to repeat the same mistake on to the bottom of the screen, as you guys can see here. And this is how it's going to end up having bubbles, as you will see later on. Right now, as I remove the screen protector, or the top layer of the screen protector, and now you see the bubbles in the center. That is why you only want to swipe it once, and then once you do that and the screen is stuck on, or the protector is stuck onto your phone screen, then you can start using a microfiber cloth to wipe out any remaining bubbles. And there shouldn't be any, or if there shouldn't be much or any at all. So see, this is my final product and how it looks. You can see the bubbles right there in the center. And I waited like a day to see if they would disappear, because sometimes that's what happens after, you've been using your phone for a while and the heat of the screen, it usually makes those bubbles disappear, but mine did not disappear. So what I ended up doing was I took it to T-Mobile and have them install the screen protector. Okay, so after that mess up with the installation of this invisible shield with Glassfusion, I brought it back to T-Mobile. I showed them. Actually, I was going to show the guy, whoever was over there, this box and my receipt, but the guy recognized me, and I told him what happened, and he actually replaced the screen. As you can see here, no more bubbles in the middle or anywhere. So he did install it for me and replace the screen. Although, technically, from what I understand, is that I'm supposed to get the replacement through Zag.com right here, Invisible Shield. So it was pretty cool that he did it. He gave me the replacement there at the store, and even installed it for me. Although he wouldn't let me record it while he was installing the screen protector. And then I asked them if they had a screen protector for the Tab S7, but they didn't. And I went through like 3 or 4 T-Mobile stores near my area, and I finally found one that was at the shopping mall. And this is the Glassfusion Plus Invisible Shield for, you guessed it, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 5G. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video on this separate, or I'll just include it in with this video. But if you guys see the separate video, then it's a separate video. If it's in here, it's in here. And it offers all the same stuff, as you can see. And it also offers a lifetime replacement, as you can see right there, lifetime warranty. So all in all, is it worth the asking price? So this screen protector for the S21 Ultra is $59.99, while the one for the Tab is a little cheaper. I thought it would be more expensive because it's a bigger screen device, right? And right there, see, $54.99 for the Tab, $59.99 for the S21 Ultra. I guess it might have something to do with this says Glassfusion Plus. This just says Glassfusion with Visionguard and D3O. Maybe it's the Visionguard Plus and D3O. That's why it costs more. The Visionguard Plus is, I believe, the one for that reduces blue light, whereas this one doesn't include the blue light filter or whatever. I am thinking this video might take too long to include the Glassfusion, so I will do that in a separate video. So is the Invisible Shield Glassfusion with Visionguard Plus and D3O technology worth it over much more cheaper tempered glass screen protectors that you can get on Amazon? And I'm going to say yes, and here's why. Number one, it has that guide that makes installation much more easier. You get Visionguard Plus with iSafe technology that blocks a lot of harmful blue light, which most of your other regular screen protectors don't have. And I can see the value in that, being that I probably messed up my eyesight being exposed to all the bad blue light when I in my younger days, looking at TVs and computer monitors that with all the blue light I was exposed to. The screen also has antimicrobial protection, which means it is resistant to certain viruses and bacteria, which is always good in these days of the pandemic and COVID-19. And then last but certainly not least, you get a lifetime warranty through Zag. So your case may not be the same as mine. I got lucky that I was able to take it back to T-Mobile, and they replaced it right there and even installed it for me right there. Technically, you're supposed to send your screen protector, the one that's messed up, to Zag, mail it back to them, and then they'll mail you back the replacement. So that about wraps it up. This is our look at the Zag Invisible Shield Glassfusion with Visionguard Plus and D3O technology, which has eye safe technology, antimicrobial protection, and it's supposed to be 20% stronger. But you also get that limited lifetime warranty should anything happen to your screen protector. So that is it. If you guys have found this video helpful and you've been informed and entertained by watching me mess up my installation, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon next time.